Alright guys, so today we're going to be playing the same sound effect walking past them. This is a very mainstream one, not underground at all, but I want to try it because it's guaranteed reactions. You know, my last video where I was doing the on the phone thing didn't get much reactions, but this should be plenty of reactions. I mean, they start caring about like 5, 6, 7, 8 times, you know. The target has moved.
How does the customer say that long, bro?
Other way, I'm sorry. Bro, how many times is this, bro? I think they might be deaf. Going like this?
Yeah, bro.
Like what, bro? I got medium run all this stuff. He's gone in circles, bro.
Yeah, I know.
Trying a new sound effect. I got medium run all this stuff. I'm sorry. I think she's just seeing where we're gonna follow her to. Guess we gotta follow him. beautiful comps. Next out, next out, next out. Yo, I was trying not to look at him too much to make it like not obvious, but he was definitely looking at me. I think he was about to say something too, but then I just kept walking away. I was going for the ear too with the sound effect, but he turned around so quick, bro. Wait, what did he say?
I walked past him. Said, yeah, he's recording me again.
To who?
To himself.
Oh, okay. Bro, this prank just makes people leave the aisles. That's all it does. Like, we have people like about to care, like wanting to care, but then they just leave the aisle and it kind of solves the problem. I'm trying though. I'm really trying to. We need a solo shopper over here. Okay, I'm just spamming it now.
Sorry.
No, you're good. Go around the other aisle. I gotta catch him. Yeah, he was. Let me know if you see him. This takes more work than it looks like. This is his card. Now he's leaving the aisle, of course, bro. You can tell I'm following him. I'm sorry. Bro, I didn't even play it yet. He knows, bro. He knows, but we're not gonna cut it. Should I climb up the shelf and like do it over his head? That'd be lethal. You can tell I'm following him. Sir, they thought it was a sound effect, but it was just my game. I was just playing a game. Sir, I was just playing a game. They thought it was a sound effect, but I was just playing a game. It was just a game on my phone that I was playing while I was walking, and they thought it was a sound effect. See, and they were leaving the aisle like that. That's all we tried. We really tried, but most people just didn't care or just gave crazy looks and left the aisle. It's all we can get. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.